Hey guys, it's 1201 Snake Man. I'm gonna be doing a race car. Not really a race car, like a remote control car. Going up that ramp down there. So hope you enjoy it. I'll only go like twice or once. Alright, Skater Grant 2001. He's on the phone with me. Grant, Grant, say hi.
Hi, what's up?
That was him. Tomorrow we'll be doing a video of the same thing. Well, he uses his mini one and I use my big fat one. Go. Alright, here we go. Ready, set, go. Oh, wrong way. I can go backwards. I'll just go backwards. It's easier to go backwards. No, I'll just do forwards. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.